uplift and empower them. Telangana has emerged as the highest paddy producer in the country, with a record of 60 lakh metric tons of production. This is a testament of the resilience and dedication of our farmers, and this government stands shoulder to shoulder with them. To ensure financial security, my government has implemented a rupees 2 lakh crop loan waiver benefiting 25.35 lakh farmers, amounting to 20,616.89 crore. This is not assistance. It is a justice and a reflection of the time-bound implementation of the commitments of my government. Further, under the Raitu Bharosa scheme, direct financial assistance has been enhanced to rupees 12,000 per acre per year, allowing farmers to invest in modern techniques, better seeds and improved irrigation. In an unprecedented move, the government has support to landless agricultural labourers under the Indira Atmiya Bharosa scheme, providing 12,000 per annum to families who work tirelessly in the fields. A total of 566 Raitu Vedikas have been established, equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual media. The Raitu Nestam initiative is now fully operational in all 532 rural mandals, providing a dynamic platform for farmers, scientists and administrators to engage in structured video conferencing. This initiative facilitates seamless knowledge sharing, fosters collaboration and significantly contributes to agricultural advancement and rural empowerment. A bonus of rupees 500 per quintal for Sanakaram paddy, amounting to 1,206.44 crore, has been released to farmers to ensure fair pricing and income security for farmers who produce the varieties of paddy that our people consume.